Hi friends, let me show you this new solar outdoor light. It's a solar charging lamp. Okay, these are the user manual, the user instructions. Okay, it has basically three modes. The first mode will keep the lamp lightly on, and when it detects motion, it will go bright for about 15 seconds. The second mode, the lamp will be off and it will only turn on for 15 seconds when it detects motion. And the third mode, won't matter the movement, it will be right on until the battery runs out in about 6 to 8 hours, okay? So it's really easy to install, okay? Let's put it together. It has a 2200 milliamperes battery, and it gives about 1000 lumens of luminosity. So it's great for your patio, for any outdoor place where you want to have some light and you don't have or you don't want to use the your electricity, okay? So you can fix it in any angle that you need and it will be perfect for the night. Let's try it. We have installed it here on top of the wall. The sun is getting to the sun panels, and as you can see, the lamp is off, and when it detects movements, it will go on. It's really bright, and you can change the lighting mode to different modes. This is the second mode. It will detect movement and be brighter. Okay, so this way we have it always on a lower power light, and it will go to full power when it detects movement for 15 seconds. Perfect lighting.